In the bustling city of Chennai, Micson Corporation stood at the forefront of innovation and industry during the International Engineering Sourcing Show organized by EEPC India. March 2023 marked a pivotal moment for us as we participated in this prestigious event at the Chennai Trade Canter. Our dedicated team worked tirelessly to create a showcase reflecting Micson Corporation's commitment to precision and excellence. Positioned at H2C17, our stall became a vibrant hub, attracting a diverse audience. Visitors, ranging from industry professionals to curious minds, were captivated by the innovation and quality of our metal components. Meaningful interactions flourished as we engaged with individuals who appreciated the precision and versatility of our customized metal components. Beyond showcasing products, the exhibition became a space for forging connections and exploring collaborations. As the event concluded, the Micson Corporation team celebrated the success of this remarkable experience, knowing that our stall had not only captured attention, but left an enduring impression on all who visited. With gratitude for the support and enthusiasm received, Micson Corporation wraps up another successful exhibition chapter.